Good morning guys, welcome to my channel Rider Nada Motor Diaries. Today is day 4. We are some 300 kilometers close to Amritsar, and today our point of stop will be Amritsar. Yesterday anyhow we managed to cover around 470 kilometers. The main setback was the only temperature 46. Now it's 9 a.m. And still the temperature is 42, and it will rise more by 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So yes, yesterday night we reached this hotel at around say 12:30, and after that we had our dinner and we went to bed by something around 1:30 to 2 o'clock, and that's the reason we got up late today. And so there is desert everywhere here, so you can understand the temperature. And this being summer, the temperature is too high, and we stayed in that hotel, Patra hotel, behind. Okay, so yeah, let's see. I'll catch you up in the ride. Day 4. Today we left the hotel at 10 a.m. and the reason behind this was we slept very late last night, and today's destination was Amritsar, which was not that far from here. That is, the temperature started attacking us even before we could load our luggages on our bikes. We started to sweat heavily and managed to climb on our bikes and start the ride. We stopped at the first fuel station and filled up the tank. On the way we saw many people crossing on the road without looking for the oncoming vehicles, so we had to be a little more careful with that. Similar things started happening like every day. I mean, we had to take small breaks to save ourselves from heat. In few hours we entered Punjab. Now though the temperature was high, there were trees on both sides of the road, so the heat was not that harsh on us. We could see at places people of Punjab providing water for the people travelling on the road, and they are known for their helping tendency. In some time I saw a field where water was pumped out from the well into the field. So I stopped my bike, got down and went towards the field and directly jumped into the water with all my riding gears. Was totally drenched and felt relieved. came out from here and saw a tractor. Upon asking the driver, he himself said, "If any one of you wants to drive, can drive." So some of our members drove it. Meanwhile, we saw a hand pump and went to the pump to get some water for drinking. While doing so, one person said, "There is a cooler nearby. If you want cold water, you can get from it." We had some and saw the water getting wasted from the cooler was directed to the nearby canal. We really had some good time, and we really didn't bother about time. But we had to leave. One of our members went to Jalandhar to get his riding pants, which he had ordered earlier and was supposed to join us in Amritsar. We entered a city area, saw a shikanji shop. Believe me, each one of us had 4 glasses of it and went ahead for lunch. But I settled for lassi, rest had their lunch. By evening, we reached Amritsar, and by the time the member who left for Jalandhar also joined us in Amritsar. Got a good deal in a hotel close to Golden Temple, which was hardly 100 meters away. Kept all our luggages in the room and went to spend some time inside the Golden Temple. We spent ample of time there. We were not allowed to take photos, seeing people started coming here to take only photos, and actual purpose of coming here was fading. but then he said he can click 1 or 2 photos. When we came out, we saw every shop shutting down. Upon asking, they said there is some event the next day. We had some momos from the stall and called it for the day.